Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I am doing another thrift haul, believe it or not. I came across some stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Don't discount Facebook Marketplace. And I got some really tremendous deals. I'm so happy. And when we went to pick that up, we decided to hit up Goodwill. And I was like, I'll run in, run out, just looking for a couple things. And I came up with a box full of stuff. So let me go through my new finds. I don't even know where to start. So first off, we have this enamelware that we got. It was a lot that she was selling. So she's got, it's all the minty green, which sells really well for us and happens to be one of my faves. We got a ricer. We've got the roaster. This looks to be like a sink dish or soap dish type thing from the shower or something. And then just a little tray. That was the first lot I picked up. Move this out of the way and we'll go on to the, I don't know if she has these broken up by lots or not. So I'm just going to grab them by the bag. Oh, this is my Target bag. That is not. Got some greenery from Target. Okay, so first thing we just have is a little decor ball. And then we have some cast iron keys. And they're already painted white, distressed perfectly. I'm not going to do anything to these. These will go right into the store. They do have the built-on hardware to hang. There's also a little dough bowl. It's a great Alaskan bowl from Fairbanks. And then a little ampersand. Some greenery. We have not only the stuff in the olive bucket here, but we also have a little ring. So we've got that. I don't even know where to put all this. And we got this. Looks like a syrup bottle. With a little spout down it. Can you see that? Cute, cute, cute. I'm gonna try to keep this kind of together and moved out of the way quick. So my plan is I think we're gonna have a snow day again tomorrow. And there's like zero visibility outside, so who knows. But I will get this all priced up. I have my label maker here at home and get it all ready to go right into the store. We have a little moss ball. There's also some wire around that. Oh, there's more than one. There's another one. A lantern. Oh, this one's got a third moss ball in there. And this cute little step stool riser. And this is a great shade of green, so this will stay. It's wonderfully aged already. I'm not doing anything to that either. That was, I think, probably the key for me picking up this stuff, was that so much of it was ready to go right into the store and I didn't need to do anything to get it in there. And I need the spring greenery, all that kind of stuff. So next up, we have another wood bowl. A little basket. We've got a long olive bowl. Rattan vase. It's cute. We've got another bowl, the same brand as the last one. Wood vase. This may actually get a paint job just because I'm not liking the multi-tone. I know it's probably hand done. Came out of the Dominican Republic. We have got this sign. The tags are still on it. We have some tiles. These things always sell pretty well for me. These are painted like a gray distressed, and it looks like it has some antiquing wax on these as well. I will probably put these up as is too. I really like the coloring on those. There is a frame with some paper in it. I think she was using this frame as like a tray. And it's got like just a real deep green, distressed, and then the white backing on that. I don't know on those frames if I'll keep those as is or not. And then we've got some little drawers. And these I won't do anything to either. These will go into the store as is. There's a green one. And this little tan one. And then a little basket. There's my haul from Facebook Marketplace. Again, super happy. Everything in here is very much, if not usable right now, just a few things may need tweaks, but nothing big. And it's all stuff that'll go into the decor theme that I have going on. And like I said, we ran to Goodwill quick. So this is all packed in there pretty well. I found this neat basket. This is like the same material that like the cheese boxes are made out of, the real thin, light wood. I had debated on painting this, but I think I'll keep this as is and just put it right in. And this would actually look really good. The garlands I just got in here. Be really pretty with the pink. All right, this is all kind of in here haphazardly. We got a topiary. This one has got a really nice feel. It doesn't feel ultra plasticky. I've gotten some ones, I can see one from here, from Target in the past that, well, they look good. If you get too close, they definitely look plastic. We got these. And these I won't do anything to, so they'll go in the store as is and just get hung up immediately. Same with this guy. He's just a Hobby Lobby piece, but he's cute. This looks to be missing one of the drawers, which is fine. I will probably number these just to give it a little bit more character, and then stage something cutesy in here, like, for instance, also from Target, we've got these little plants that we just picked up. And, or one of my little succulents or something. These might be too tall. But those are kind of cute too. All right. Next, we have a watering can. I love the brass pieces on this. And then just a simple white creamer. There's two of these. I don't know. Oh, there's the other one. These will get probably painted white. I've said that with the last few sets I've gotten, but I don't have any white ones at the store right now, and I've had requests. So another fake plant. This is actually a Hearth and Hand one, and I paid more for this than I typically would on other ones. I love the container it's in, and the eucalyptus is in really good condition still. And let's see, picking up pieces of my topiary that fell off. We'll get that all glued back. I have another creamer. I have a corner hutch in the store right now, and it's kind of got pinks in it, so I'm going to add that to it. It's a little bit darker than the pinks I have in there, but I think it'll go well with the depression glass that's in there. And this is just a little birdhouse. This needs some paint though, because it's it's resin, but it's very blah. So I think we'll go ahead and get that painted up. We got some very plain handmade bookends. Bookends sell really well for us. These will probably get some molds from IOD added to them and then painted. Oh, this is a mug for me. It's a Hearth and Hand one. I thought it was cute. I have the one that says Morning Sunshine, so I thought that would be cute to go with that one. I have picked these guys up a ton, the little quail. I have picked them up in multiple colors. I've painted them. However, these white ones, I leave white. He does need washed up because he's really gross. But he'll get washed up and thrown in the store. Those are Homeco, I believe. another bird. And this one I'm not painting. I'm not doing anything to. I think he's just beautiful. He's so cute. And one more bird I'm really super excited about. This is a blown glass one in the most perfect shade of spring green. No chips on him. He's very cute. I paid up for him, but he's amazing. And last but not least, I am always on the hunt for glass soap pumps. And right now I'm having a hard time wholesaling them for a price that I'm able to resell for at a reasonable cost. A lot of times I can't wholesale for what I've been selling them for, and I don't want to up my prices if I don't have to. So when I found 3 little soap pumps that are brand new, I grabbed all 3 of them. They were $1.49 a piece, which is cheaper than what, they're about what I get my smalls for right now. So this is a good deal for us. So we grabbed 3 of those. If they had had more, I would have grabbed them all. And then, just from Target, you saw the little plant I showed. And then they had little white garland as well as the pink. So we grabbed both of those. They had some Hearth and Hand little single picks on clearance, so I grabbed those. Those always look really cute. Of course, they're not in here, right? And I'm trying to do this one-handed. Let me grab the others and show you. Grabbed 2 of these. Thought they'd look cute. And let's see. Grabbed a couple of that one, and then 2 of these ones that are just in a little terracotta vase. Terracotta. And my cats are digging in the paper. But these always look really cute, and you can put them in something white and give that pop of color. So. And then we got another one of those. Oh, and dish soap that was on clearance. This stuff's amazing. All right, that is my haul. Again, that first half was a Facebook Marketplace find, all from the same woman. And the second half was my Walmart run. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.